get to practicing before you're old and grey, and your best years slip away. We laughed and joked and skipped along the way. Wondered if we'd ever be nostalgic for these days when we are old and grey.